Hi guys, a quick video here. I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's an absolute brilliant thing. My son bought me this for Christmas, and it was a bit of a surprise thing. You know, it's a strange thing to get, I guess. But anyway, look, it's a window vac, and it's for vacuuming the condensation. I can remember my old dad many years ago coming into the bedroom when I was a little boy, and he would literally just mop everything with a towel, and I've been doing that in the recent months, but not anymore. I've had this out already to try it out. It's a Karcher, and it's made by the Germans. It's a German made product, so you know, I don't know if anybody would know, but as far as I'm aware, Germans make great products. Now I'm just going to get it all out, throw it all together, keep it simple, see what we've got in the box, and I'm going to just see what we've got. Just stuff, you know, instructions. I'm going to go through it all anyway. This is what we've got in there. Let's have a little look. Let's have a little look. I'm going to give it a good test, see if it works. Right. What's good about this as well is it's rechargeable. So, you know, and I've used it a few times, probably a good half hour's worth of use, and it hasn't run out at all. Anyway, look, this comes off. That's where the water goes. As you can see, there's already water droplets in there. So, as I say, I've already used it, but it actually comes. It's all very easy. It all just clips together. It's very easy to do. That just goes in there like that. Clips on, nice and easy. Let's just adjust that camera slightly. So all we've got basically, very simple. There's your water container. This part just clips on. Very simple. Where are we? Literally as easy as that. The instructions are in there. This is an extra thing, and it's for, you get a little bit of this fluid, cleaning fluid. Now, for your windows, and it's for glass and windows, mirrors, that type of thing. Now I'm going to do another video, the cheapest, most economical and best way to clean your windows and glass with no smears, no mess, that's so cheap you're going to be shocked. So click the link in the top right hand corner of the screen and it'll take you to that video. Okay, so getting back to this, you've got some window cleaner here. That goes in there. The instructions are there how much to use and stuff. And what happens is you've got this squirty thing as well. It goes on there. Would I bother using this? No, not in a million years. Couldn't be asked. Especially when you see that other method in that other video, that link that I've just mentioned. So that goes on there. This is, as I said, this is not the vacuum. This is not the vacuum cleaner. This is just an added little thing that they've got in the box. That comes off. It's a wipe. It just, you just have your fluid in there, pump, 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 and you wipe it down the window. I'm not going to bother with that. That's self-explanatory. This is the bit of kit I want to talk about, and look at that. Great. Easy to use. We're going to use it we're going to try it in a minute on the windows that are covered in condensation. I've deliberately left the windows covered in condensation so that we can give this a good try. There's your charger. Couldn't be easier. In the back of there, plug it in, charges. Green light comes on. I guess I've got to do that really, haven't I? Just to show you guys. Just plug that in there over there. There's your green light flashing. Charging. See that? Flashing green light. And then it goes off when it's fully charged. Okay? So that's your recharge. Okay guys, look, you can see there's a load of condensation. As I said, I've deliberately left this so that we can do this demo. So it's very easy to use. You can hold it sideways. Check there is no water in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's no water in there at all, it's empty, okay? Empty. You can actually hear it sucking it in, as you'd expect, to be honest. But what's interesting about this is the glass, you do it a couple of times, is actually bone dry afterwards. It's bone dry. I mean, you can hear it's actually squeaking, it's dry. Listen to that, dry to the touch, absolutely brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant bit of kit. Look at the water. That's amazing. Look at that. I can honestly say, as an adult, this is one of the best Christmas presents I've had. I love it. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. Okay, we've got another window to do. Now, you might think it's best to go down, but I think it's best to come sideways like this. And you can even go upside down. It's actually okay. It's fine to go upside down if you need to. Brilliant, brilliant. Listen to this, bone dry. Excellent, excellent little bit of kit. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. Look at the water. Look at the water now. Look, 2 windows. Okay, we've got a lot of condensation. Admittedly, we've got a lot of condensation. Anyway, now the other question that arises, comes to mind, how does it go on frosted glass or opaque glass that you'd use that would be in a toilet or a bathroom? Well, there's different types of opaque and that type of glass that you can't see through. So it's difficult to say, but I've got this, it's just running down here. So all I would do is I'd just hold it that way, as I did on the other window, and it's all good. So it's simple enough. It doesn't do as stellar a job as the previous flat glass, but it's still very good and much better than using a towel. I love it, absolutely love it. I think it's brilliant. I love it. Absolutely love it. As I've said, it's one of the best Xmas presents I've ever had. Purely because it's just something different and new. And if you want, you can use it on mirrors as well. Indoors. Well, it's all indoors, isn't it? Silly. Look at that. I mean, alright, you're not going to get much condensation if you're in a house. But if you're in a caravan, or you own a caravan, you get a lot of condensation, it's a great thing to do. It's brilliant. What excellent little bit of kit. Love it, absolutely love it. It's brilliant. Fantastic. Karcher Window Vac. Look at the water. Look at the amount of water in there. It's fantastic. Look at that. All you do to empty it, very simple, you just pull that out, pull that little plug up. And it's easy enough, but it's got to be quite hard to get out, otherwise the water will come out. So, and that's it, you just tip it up and empty it out. You can disconnect it. I don't, I just have it like that and tip it out like that. Easy as that. Brilliant Karcher Window Vac, absolutely fantastic little bit of kit.